Hi, y'all guys. Good morning. Blessings to each and every one. Big up to all viewers, subscribers, supporters, and families. And to all new subscribers, a special welcome to you all. Enough love, enough respect, enough appreciation from me to Uno. You understand? Enough love and appreciation from Chin to y'all. Big up on yourself. Alright, so we get into the video now. People me excited. Me excited bad. T.Lady, I feel your time. I come back for you, T.Lady. I come back. You know, me give up on you and say, you know, me not try with you again. But this time, people, I have good news for you. I have good news, T.Lady. We're gonna try with T.Lady one last diggy time. One last diggy time. I shall be trying with T.Lady again. So, T.Lady, imagine me decide say, you know, me I go take you off of social media and give a little work pan a farm where me have run back there. Yes, only banana or something down there. Me say me I go give you work pan it. And you know, come, me buy up a whole of your tool, then me buy your water boot, me buy your overall and everything. I look. No, T.Lady. So, it look like you love the whole of the drama them where take place on social media. So, you know what crossed my mind? Me say, being as you been a go through so much and I create so much problem all these years. Me say, you know what? Something coming in my mind, one bright idea coming about my T.Lady. Me I gonna make you baptize. Yes! T.Lady, me gonna make you baptize. I shall make you give your life to the Lord. Yes. So people on no sooner no trouble with T.Lady upon the media. None whatsoever. I no can thank me later. Yes. Or no can come and thank me later. No more trouble because I shall have T.Lady baptized. Today. Right, yes, so. Make a call her, find out if she ready. Hello? Yes, T.Lady, and me. You ready? You there? You mean when we are going to say we are going to the temple today? You forgot? Nobody change your mind, T.Lady. Nobody change your mind. I'm taking you to the temple today to be baptized. Yes. T.Lady is the plans of the devil. Don't tell me that you're having second thoughts. You don't want to be baptized. You shall baptize today. Me, I make you baptized today. You don't have no say in this. So put on your clothes and take up your belongings them and come. Me personally, I'm gonna make you change your dirty ways, either by will or by force. And when you go into the water this morning, do not embarrass me. You hear me? Do not embarrass me. Come. Yes, we reach now. You see a pool nice and clean. Fix your face, man. When you have your face long up, so fix your face. Look at water nice and clean. It's calling you. It's calling you. Go change your clothes, put on your white robe and come. All right. We are going to have a brand new social media as of. Oh, don't sing. I'm not glad for Tilly. Oh, don't sing, man. Goodbye, world.
Oh, God! No! God, please, no! No!
People me stressed out. People me stressed out. Me give up. T.Lady, suppose you did drown the man, T.Lady. T.Lady, suppose you did drown the man. You know the man never want you in a pool. The man never want you in a church. And me say, do, pastor. Do, because me feel like there's still little hope for T.Lady. Only if she baptized. And at this you do me, T.Lady. And them your embarrassment you call for me, T.Lady. Suppose you did make me go to prison. T.Lady, suppose you did make me go to prison. Suppose you did drown the man. Anyways, T.Lady, you know if you're a big man, you give a whole heap of talking though. T.Lady, you know you're hardest though. People, me never go too far today. Me this just I take one like a morning walk. I never do not go on a long journey. Me not go too far. And this that me there one little spot of me one balling, and me say who a ball so who kill Smaddy? That's so like Smaddy a dead man. And when me check a stack and go peep, I don't know me not too like a peeping thing. If me hear one little something, then me might go look. I mean I really got people yard more. So as me tell you now, when me go look to rotted, not T.Lady over a shot the 360 yard, me dear, and the people them in the comment section I kill her with some rotted rock stone, them a beat her bad over there. T.Lady, you see, anybody will boost you up like a supplicant and tell you so you have to go over a shanty yard if you go try fight off the man and them followers them over there. Them wicked to you, T.Lady. Them don't like you, T.Lady. You could have lose your life. T.Lady, them could have kill you where you gone over there. Yeah, David? T.Lady, you Goliath? T.Lady, have you ever been in the army? T.Lady, you know you can't fight where you do over there. Where you are do over there. No, see that amount of work you cause me if you go do right about now for just swear. Me don't have no peroxide, me don't have no alcohol, so me I forgot just substitute for like a strong salt water for throw in your wound them. Huh? And you cause it by yourself, you know, where you left for your territory and gone over the people them territory and know you can't fight, T.Lady. Huh? You feel learn for listen, man, and every day that's God send. You get up and you say people are bring you down, people are class you, people are this, people are that. People are trouble you and all kind of something. And when you check a stock, you know, T.Lady, you do the same thing, you know. Because you are bring down people, you are discriminate people to look on the whole saga with Christian her husband the other day. You hear your class up the young girl. You hear you diss up the young girl. It would have sound like you have a personal issue with that girl there. You think that is different from where you say people are not to you? What you not like for yourself, you mustn't give to a next one, hombre. And this is one of the reasons why people now go stop beat your bad pan the media, T.Lady. Them not gonna give you a break. Them not gonna forever a beat you. Cause you not behave. You have to build, man. Man, you have to build more time, man. Obviously, you love the disrespect where you get. You love the disrespect. You enjoy it. Calm down, man. Calm down. You can't want people love, accept, and respect you when you not push out the same energy out there. Anything you go put out there, a hit go come back at you. If you put out hate go come back out at you. And if you put out love, you will receive love. You not behave. Everything that's God send. And Satan send, and everything God send, and Satan send, you have yourself inserting it all, but it not concern you. Huh? Honestly, and people me not tell no lie, yes, I know me not joke. More time me sorry for you still, no, but then when me look on it, me say, you know what? Me take back my sorry for. Me take back my sorry for, cause if you as an individual can't sorry for yourself, then you can't expect people for sorry for you, my love. Look how long you're popular out there on the media. You're popular on the media more than majority of the people them with the pie now. From way back, from radio days. You're about. T.Lady, you know, you should have the 4. T.Lady, you should have the 4, you know. You shouldn't stuck here, so you know, I try creep, little creepings, you know. But guess what? You know what the problem? You create too much energy. I mean, enemy. Where energy come from this, so. You create too much enemy, T.Lady. You need to change, man. Change up your method. Change up your strategy or something. But whatever you don't know, it just not work for you, my love. It not work for you at all. Try something new, man. Because so much people cannot tell lie upon you. For so long, I saw people that hate you. Are you not Satan? Something wrong. And it can't be with so many people. It must be with you. T.Lady, every day your name call, you know. Every day your name call. It's like you're at school and teacher mark register. Every day your name call. I mean, never yet one day hear your name call for nothing positive. Me nah lie, I truth me attack. God believe me. I the truth me attack. Me never yet hear your name call for nothing positive. I be negative. Be negative. No, man. No, Miss Walters. No. Right now, but I bust a prayer for you, but you see what reach me when me I pray for Lori yesterday. Me don't want to reach me today because me now me could make me go hell, you know. But now me could make me, but me feel like me bust a prayer for you, but I not do it. And How much video me do? And almost in every video me do with you, when me do, me say you is not a ugly woman. You're not ugly for real, but your character, man, your character, it just nasty. And your character nasty make you look ugly on the outside. That for real, for real, for real. And me I go do, me just I beg you. Father, me just I beg you. Me not pray cause me afraid of what happened yesterday. But me I beg you do. Just see if you can catch her name somewhere in the good book. Me, you know if you give me a whole page for yourself, just try to catch it somewhere in the good book. And me feel like there's still hope out there for her, you know. Me feel, she just want little love. She just, me no know. Just me a beg for her do. She not have to go in. She not have to go in the garden with Adam and Eve. You can put her somewhere by herself. She not have to mix up with the whole way we are going over there so with Adam them and the whole Abraham and Moses and the whole of them and Joseph and them the people. Just you can just put her somewhere. Me just a beg for her. Me just a beg for her. If I even figure make she turn up right in I can over there so with Lot wife. That's all. God, that's all me I do. Me a beg for her. Apologize. Me not force up nobody in your kingdom. God. But apologize. Me apologize. T.Lady, you see what you cause? T.Lady, don't go send me soul of hell. You know? Imagine me there and me I try fight food or just so. You can't get one little place. Which party whole way I got to eat? I got there I drink milk and honey. Me just I try fight and see what you go send me soul of hell and I do it again. I'm not doing it. God, I apologize. I apologize. But T.Lady, me ask you one question. T.Lady, you blind? T.Lady, you know no yay. T.Lady, you know love pan the media, you know? You are not loved. Not even your own followers. Them not like you. No make them fool you. Them against you. Them not loyal to you no time at all. Tap make them trick you. Time fool they only come once a year and not every day. One time for the year, April, they want. Come. Only one time for the year you have April 1st, my love. You can't make your followers then get up and fool you every day and a text step by you. They might not even text step by you. They might take you for a fool. They might take you for a laughing stock. You think when you come out par your live and I do your thing them, and you see them in a comment section, I send up laughing emoji and all kind of something. Them not laugh with you, my love. Them a laugh after you. Them a laugh after you tap make them fool you. Them don't like you. You know yesterday, me hear one certain individual pan him page and him a talk pan him live say yesterday, when you check it out, when you upload your video, them and do your promotion, them you don't get much wally attention, you don't get no likes and them something there. And me decide, so you may go fast and look for myself. I want me take a stock of true. A real talk, a real meds. You understand? But when you come out now, I mention 99 name, then you see everybody come over that I want them with $8 like you. Them come over and them draw them cheer. I know you them a support my love and I like them and I like them like you why them over there. But because them love to hear when people tear down 99. So that's why them sit down. But once you have a little promotion for your business, them not stay with you, my love. Have sense. Learn, girl, learn. Them not with you. So you can stay there the media and make a damn big old jackass of yourself here. Remember it up. You're not getting any younger, my love. You're not getting any younger as the days go by. The whole of we are whole. The whole of we are whole out. So if you can make something for yourself, my love, just allow the people them business alone and focus on you. That's all me I beg. Just focus on you and see if you can make a positive turnaround. One whole 360. Yeah, turnaround in a life. Here? All right. Later, me now not more I say to you. Me tired for one you. Me tired. Me give up. Me give up. Anyways, people, wanna big up on yourself. Hope on stay safe. Hope everybody good. I wanna remember to put a thumbs up on the video now. Put a thumbs up on the video, man. And who not subscribe yet, subscribe to the channel. turn on your notification bell. Make sure of that. Turn on a notification bell so that, when girl upload a video, y'all can be notified, all right? So now bless up on yourself and have a productive day. Big up later.